to unbox the it is a 75-inch 4K TV and Ultra HD. It is having a multiple pictures. It is main thing having is Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. It is having a T screen options. It's having a 120 Hz game acceleration, and it is having a MEMS technology, and it is having a AIPQ processor which is upscaling a SD content to 4K content. It is also having a wide color gamut, and it is also providing the HDR10 plus option. So it is having a multiple inputs options like HDMI and EARC and optical out technology. So it is providing a good color contrast and good color enhancement. It is providing a 2.1 sound system Okayo tuned options like HDMI and EARC and optical. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
Open TCL Home.